So before I go ahead and share with you this powerful software, I think it's very important as a marketer for you to brand yourself. So you watching this video, you can actually see that I am actually on my Facebook profile. So you get to see what I look like. You get to see who I am, and you can scroll and take a look and see what I actually do. But again, guys, before I actually go ahead and share this amazing platform with you, I was in contact with one of my Facebook friends, and he has an amazing product. So as marketers, what we actually did was we actually got on a call, and on that call, he actually took the time out. It was about, I'll probably say like a 45 minute call, and explained the product. He explained the goods about the product, the bads, and an overall of why I should actually join. And part of the reason why I did not join that program was only because I am in so many other programs, and I would have to stop what I'm doing, go into the program, learn the ins and outs, because again, I do not promote anything that I am not a part of. So again, I would have to go through the whole learning curve of understanding what that product is before I could even share it with my audience. So again, the main reason why I did not join that platform is because I am already in various programs. All right. But now, if you are someone who is brand new to online marketing, or even if you are in a MLM company, or if you're doing affiliate marketing, or whatever it is that you seem to be doing, guys, this will work just fine for you. Excuse me. This will work just fine for you. The platform and the program I'm actually going to share with you, the software, is called the Freedom Finders platform. All right. So again, once you click on the link below this video, you will be taken to a page that looks like this, where you will have the option, guys, to sign up for this amazing platform. Now, don't look at the price right over here for now, where it says $7.29, because if you go through my link, if you click right over here, guys, you will have access to a 7-day free trial. All right. So now, why is this important to you watching this video? Well, if you were someone who actually posts in your Facebook groups, asking people to take a look at your link, or if you're like my friend who took the time out of his day to actually explain the product to me, or if you're someone who was just sick and tired of hitting up your friends and family on Facebook, just asking them to take a look at your product, because sometimes, guys, we have an amazing product. It's not all the time that we have crap. Sometimes there are some good products out there that can actually help someone. So how do you go ahead and get eyeballs? How do you go ahead and get people looking at your offer? Well, this is exactly what this software will do. So now, guys, once you sign up to this platform, all right, first of all, let me go ahead and show you how to sign up. So again, once you click on the link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this, and you can watch the videos, guys. But you want to come down here and you want to click on this button. Once you click on this button, guys, you'll be taken to a page that now looks exactly like this. Now, once you're on this page, all you have to do is just click right over here, the green button that says checkout, and you'll be therefore taken to a page that now looks like this, where you just fill out the information. This is pretty much basic. Your credit card information right over here, guys. And again, you will not be charged. What this does, it stores you into the system. So if you choose to go with the platform after 7 days, which most people do, then you won't have to come back in here and add your details. All right. And then once you click on submit, guys, you will receive, or you'll be taken to a page that now looks like this, that tells you the very next step, which is to watch this video and join the Facebook group. And guys, this is a Facebook group where you are with other members just like yourself, asking questions and receiving answers and knowing more about the platform. All right. You will also receive an email. You will actually receive several emails, but the email for now I want you to pay attention to is the one that says Freedom Finder Software. Let's get started. Now, once you click on this one right over here, the second link right over here, guys, you will therefore be taken to a page where you'll be able to sign up for the platform. And this is what your back office will now look like. And the reason why you watching this video right now. The reason why I actually stress you having access to this platform, because guys, here's how this works. So now, if you have an amazing product, if you're doing affiliate marketing, or if you just want people to take a look at what you're trying to promote, I recommend you using this platform. So again, here's how this works. Now, this platform, what they do is they actually go out to Google and they run ads on Google. Now, these ads will say something like how to work from home or how to make money online from home. Are you looking to make an income from home? So these are the type of questions and keywords that they use on those ads. So if someone therefore clicks or shows interest in that ad, once they click on that ad, here comes your offer. Now, you will have a landing page, guys, and let me go ahead and show you exactly what that page will look like. So now this is the page. Let me click right over here, click on visit. So this is what the page will look like. So again, for now, it don't look as fancy. And remember, guys, fancy doesn't always work. All right. So again, if I make this a little bit smaller right over here, like mobile size, you can actually see on a mobile device, guys, this looks pretty darn good. All right. So again, let me open this back up. So again, so this is what your page will look like. And guys, remember now, you can edit this. You can change this to whatever you want. All right. So now, let me close this out. So now, what will happen is once they get to this page right over here, this is what they'll have to do. They will have to fill out this short survey right over here, guys. So now, guys, so once they fill this survey out, that means, and that tells us that they have some interest in what we have to offer. Plus, this video actually explains how they can actually get a $200 hotel savings card. So there is also an incentive for them to even watch or take a look at what you were trying to promote. Make sense? So this is the reason why this stuff converts on a high basis. All right, guys. So again, let's recap. Someone goes to Google. They click on an ad that says how to work from home. They are presented your page that looks something like this. They fill this out. And it says right over here, when is the best time that you can be reached? The mornings, afternoons. So again, this is working on your time. All right. So once they fill this out, guys, you will have their information in your back office. If you come back right over here in your contacts. All right. So they will show up in your contacts. You will have their name, their phone number, and their email address. I would recommend you actually call your prospect. So usually, guys, these people are still on Google. So it would make sense for you to actually call them while that lead is still hot, if I'm making sense to you. All right, guys. So these are live leads on Google right now, looking to find out what is there online that I can do from home to make me an extra income. And here comes your ad right in front of them. And you can call them right away, guys, and have that prospect. And you can then explain and tell them what your product is all about, what your offer is all about, or if you're doing affiliate marketing, whatever your program is all about. All right, guys. So in a nutshell, this is how this stuff works. And this is why this is so powerful. All right. So again, there will be a link below this video. Once you click on that link, you will be taken to, again, a page that looks like this. And you can go ahead and sign up for your 7-day free trial. And guys, in the next video, in an upcoming video, I will actually go ahead and show you right over here how to go ahead and purchase your clicks. All right, guys, you would be amazed to see the price of what this traffic is going to cost you. Again, this is Google's traffic. This is one of the best traffics out there you can ever have come into your office. All right. So again, we will see you in an upcoming video where we go and explain how to go ahead and buy traffic. All right. So until then, we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks.